The Light Up Name Badge Challenge is a hands-on activity where students design and build wearable name badges that light up. It introduces students to basic circuits, getting them familiar with LEDs, batteries, and conductive tape, while also encouraging creativity in design. Here's how it works. First, gather the materials. Each student will need 3 LEDs, a coin cell battery, copper tape, and some index cards. There's also a table of possibilities with markers, pipe cleaners, and other decorative supplies. This lets students get creative in how they'll present and wear their badges. First, introduce the challenge criteria. Let students know that all 3 LEDs must light up using just one battery, and the badge needs to be wearable. They'll need to think about placement and connections carefully to get the LEDs to work consistently. For the initial brainstorming, have students sketch out design ideas on paper. Encourage them to consider where the LEDs will go and how they'll incorporate them into their names or designs. For example, they might place LEDs in the dot of an eye or inside a shape that makes their badge stand out. Next, introduce the FET Circuit Construction Kit stimulation tool. This is a great way for students to experiment with circuit designs before they start building. Guide them through setting up simple circuits in the simulation and encourage them to test both series and parallel connections. Through these tests, they'll see that parallel circuits tend to work better with a single battery, as they allow all 3 LEDs to light up more effectively. Once they've decided on a circuit design, move to the building phase. Show students how to place their LEDs on the index card and connect everything with copper tape. Quick tip: have them lay down the positive, longer leg of each LED first and connect it to the positive side of the battery using the tape. The shorter leg connects to the negative side. Remind them to press down on each connection firmly to keep the circuit complete. Next is troubleshooting. If the LEDs don't light up, encourage students to recheck their connections, especially paying attention to polarity, making sure positive and negative are correctly aligned. If things still aren't working, remind them that this process is all about iterating, testing, and refining. Engineers learn through failure, so it's okay if they need to adjust and try again. Finally, once the circuit is working, students can make the badge unique by adding their name, decorations, a symbol, or something that shows off their personality, or coming up with creative ways to wear it. With this activity, you're teaching basic circuitry and helping students see themselves as problem solvers and engineers. By the end, they'll walk away with a badge they're proud of and confidence in their engineering skills.